Guide for Xiaomi TV's power button. Dear Mi TV's users, we will introduce the power button on Mi TV's body. Part 1. Mi TV without FFGA, Far Field Google Assistant function. For the Mi TV without FFGA function, its power button is under the Mi logo. User can touch the button, then find and press the power button, and TV will be powered on. Part 2. Mi TV with FFGA, Far Field Google Assistant function. For the Mi TV with FFGA function, it has a bar in the bottom. On this bar, there are FFGA switch button and power button. Under on-off logo is FFGA switch. Under Mi logo is power button. User can touch the button, then find and press the power button, and TV will be powered on. If user open FFGA switch, it won't turn on the TV, but only FFGA function. Part 3. Comparison of two types of Mi TV's power button. Thanks for watching.